I got this annoying little quirk that I do that I have no control over. I, unlike most adults that I know, still suffer from outbursts of hiccups. Now, when I was a little kid, these hiccups were cute. I remember, my sister or my cousin giggling at me when this little squeak noise. But now as I'm 30, it's kind of lost its cuteness. It's downright embarrassing. It's very hard to be manly when you are squeaking every 30 seconds. That's all I gotta say about that one.